Alright guys, so the lock I'm going to pick right now is going to be this Haus. Here's your key. It's got some passive elements. I don't believe those are active elements in the side there, because the dimples cut into the key, so I imagine it would be for key control. If you put the wrong key in, it doesn't have the dimples in the right spot. There will be pins in here, but they'll be free floating. They won't have drivers, and if you put the wrong key in that doesn't have a, let's say the middle dimple wasn't there, if this was flat, sorry, get that in the camera, if this was flat, when you turn the key or try to turn the key, whatever normally depresses into this little dimple would be sitting flat against the side of the key, and it would stop the lock from opening. So it's not an active feature. We don't have to worry about picking those, or, you know, we don't even really have to care about them, honestly, as far as picking goes. So it's just a 1, 2, 3, 4, it looks like a 5-pinner, 5-pin with a very restrictive keyway. If you can get you a close-up on that keyway there. Very restrictive keyway. So there we go. Works beautifully. Let's see if we can pick it. I'm going to be using a 15 thousandths Euro hook, custom made for me by Darkwood Picks a little while ago, and I got to work kind of from this angle. Very, very tight keyway here. Okay, a little click out of 2. 1 feels like it's binding, or I might just be trying to pick warding there. Okay, try to go back to the back. It feels like I'm binding on number 3. Okay, got a little click there. Feels like number 4. That is some super restrictive warding. Okay, that was number 4. So far they all appear to be standards. Let's go back up here and try for number 1 again, if I can find him. Okay, he might be picked already. Might have grazed him on the way through or something. Okay, so pin 5, if I can find him here. That feels like a pin. Okay, I got a little click, so I'm going to say that I got him. This guy's giving me some trouble here. Number 1, I either can't find him or I can't lift him high enough. Okay, I just gotta click on 1, and I dropped into a false set, so yippee, there are security pins in this lock. Alright, let's find my binder. Look for a little feedback somewhere. Oh, there it was. Cool. She's picked. So as I thought, those side cuts on the key are just some sort of passive element. Okay, let's get her opened up. See what's in there. Got a circlip on the back. I'm going to lock it back up. You can see it is picked. Gonna lock it back up. We will pop this circlip off of here. Wow, that's a tight one. There we go. Okay, let's check the tailpiece. I'm gonna angle it kind of like, sorry, let me get my camera right here. I'm gonna angle it kind of like that because those passive elements are gonna be in there somewhere. So if they are in the body of the lock, when I run the follower through, I don't want them to get caught in that little gap right there. So let's find the right size follower. That seems to be the guy. Okay. So here we can see those, oh, I dropped one. Here we can see these passive elements, what they look like. So I can't get that one to go back in there the right way. Sorry. One moment. So you just have a pin like this, and you can see it goes down to that little hole. And we're going to do it this way. This is number 1 on the left side. I'll put that in the middle. Number 2 on the left side will go in the middle. Number 3. And number 4. 3 of those. 1 looks like steel. 3 look like copper. So the one in the front on the left was steel. Nice touch. Probably some added drill protection. I know Haus makes a pretty good lock. So 2 of them on the right side are steel. So you can see if I take this one, which is not the appropriate one for this chamber, and I stick it in there, you'll see how it's only a, oh crap. I always get sloppy. So you'll see how it's just a little bit raised, but that would be enough to stop the plug from turning. You can probably see it better that way. It's just a little bit outside of the plug, but that would be enough to stop the plug from turning. So that's what those are. There's a little just passive elements for the key. And now we'll do, so this was the left side, this was the right side. Okay. Key pins. Looks like 1 is steel, probably again just a little drill protection. There are no inserts in here, so all their drill protection is reliant upon the pins. And the rest are copper, or yeah, they look like copper. They have a little bit of tarnish and stuff on them, so they certainly appear to be copper. Where are my tweezers? There they are. Alright, so we've got a big steel standard pin in 1, brass in 2, a brass, like an hourglass, in number 3. That's kind of cool. It's a nice looking pin. It's very pretty, elegant. Way to go, Haus. We have another one in 4, little hourglass thing. And then in 5, I felt one, so there should be, oh, look at that, it's a T-pin. Huh. That's nice. Put a T-pin in there. That is the first factory T-pin I've ever seen. This is a stock lock, so that is pretty cool. Alright, I'm going to leave the springs in there. I don't think there's anything special about the chambers. The plug doesn't have any modifications to it, as you can see. So, there we go. That is a Haus. I have no idea what model. Picked and gutted. And there's your pinning. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Hope you have a wonderful time. Don't break the law. See you next time.